Hello, good morning students, welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good? Yes, last week we studied about a lesson. It was and where. Where to use was, we have told that was is used before some pronouns. Which are those? I pronoun, correct? Here it is told that it is used before I, he, she and it. And were is used after which pronouns? It is used after we, you and they. Correct? We, you, they, I, he, she, it. In this way we studied about was and where last week. This week we are going to study the lesson where to use words like has, HAS has, HAVE have and HAD had. Are you getting? Where to use which words? HAS has, HAVE have and HAD had. That we are going to study today. Here is some pictures are shown. I will explain you those pictures. Okay, first one. Look at the following sentences. I have a pet cat. You have a pet cat. We have a pet cat. I means what? Single, one girl. When two are there, that time what you, when two are there and one is saying another, okay. You have, this lady is saying the girl, you have a pet cat. And both the girls, they are saying afterwards, we have a pet cat, okay. Now here, the boys have a pet cat, they have a pet cat. Anil has a bicycle, he has a bicycle. Sita has a bicycle, she has a bicycle. The postman had a bicycle. When we are using HAD had, when we talk about past tense, okay. Perfect past tense or continuous and perfect past tense. When we speak about past tense, at that time we use HAD had. Continuous and perfect past tense and perfect and perfect past tense. Okay. At that time we use which word? We use HAD had. For past tense we use had. So here it is given that I have a pet cat means that I own the cat. That cat is mine. माझी आहे ती. ज्यावेळेस कोणतीही वस्तू आपली स्वतःची असती त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? आय हॅव. हॅव हा शब्द कधी वापरतो आपण? ज्यावेळेस हॅव, हॅज आणि हॅड. हॅज, हॅव अँड हॅड आर युज्ड वेन वी वॉन्ट टू से वी ओन समथिंग. वी ओन समथिंग मीन्स वॉट? इट इज यर्स, इट इज आवर्स, इट इज माय, इट इज आवर्स. ओके. Have, has and had is used when we own something. Own something म्हणजे काय? जी आपली स्वतःची असती वस्तू. Okay. Here it is told that has is used after singular words. Singular words means what? One. Okay. Has is used when we talk about singular. Anil. Anil is a single. He is single. Sita has. She is single. One. Correct one. When we talk about one person, at that time we use has. Have is used after I, you and plural words. Has is used when? Has is used after singular word. They are used after singular word. Which are singular words? He, she. Okay. When we speak about some nouns, correct or not? Now your example is given Anita. Anil is given, Sita is given, Anita. These are what? These are these are nouns. And that is one. Anil is what? One. Sita is one. Correct? One human being. At that time we use has. Have is used when? Have is used after I, you and plural words. Now here examples are there. After I, what is used? Have is used. After you, second one. After you, what is used? Have is used. And after plural. Now we is what? We is more than one. Plurals. It is plural form. So after that also what is used? Have is used. Understood? So here it is told that has is used after singular words. Sorry. Have is used after I, you and plural words. Has and have are used when we speak of now or today. ज्यावेळेस आपण आजचं बोलतो, करेक्ट, नाव, इफ आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नाव, ॲट दॅट टाईम वी यूज विच वर्ड्स, हॅज अँड हॅव. ओके, आय हॅव अ lecture today. Okay, if you are sitting at your house, then what you will say, I have study of English, correct. If someone is your sister, then if she is also having homework, that time what you will say, she has homework of English. She is what, singular, correct, not plural means what, we. Then when many students are sitting in the house together, that time what you will say, we have, plural words, we have homework today of English. Understood? Next one, had is used when we speak of things that have already happened. I told you, past tense, जी झालेली आहे, भूतकाळामध्ये जी गोष्ट झालेली आहे त्याच्याबद्दल ज्यावेळेस आपण बोलतो त्यावेळेस आपण HAD हॅड हा शब्द वापरतो. ओके, नाउ हियर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट फिल इन द ब्लँक्स करेक्टली विथ हॅज, हॅव और हॅड. फर्स्ट वन, आवर नेबर्स डॅश अ न्यू कार. आवर नेबर्स, when we speak about neighbors means what? Neighbors, S is there, correct or not? Our neighbors, when we speak about plural words, neighbors is what, plural words, that time we use have. Our neighbors have a new car. So first answer is what? Have. HAVE, have. Second, my friend, now person is there but he is single, okay, singular it is. So my friend dash a watch. My friend has a watch. Okay, when he is there, that time we are using has. So second answer is has. Third sentence, Ajit dash a brother and a sister. When we speak about singular, that time we use has. Ajit has a brother and a sister. What Ajit has? Ajit has a brother and a sister. Fourth one, I wish. When we ज्यावेळेस आपण वापरतो, we म्हणजे काय, प्लुरल वर्ड्सला काय वापरतो, have. I wish we have a small house. So fourth answer is have. I wish we have a small house. Next one, fifth one, she dash many friends. She, then what will come, has. She has many friends. She has many friends. Sixth one, the cow dash two horns. The cow has, cow म्हणजे काय, she आहे, करेक्ट, सिंगल आहे, मग काय येणार आहे, हॅज येणार आहे. मग इथे आन्सर काय येणार आहे, हॅज. The cow has two horns. You dash a big bag. What will become? You have a big bag. Okay. Sixth answer is what? The cow has a two horns. Seventh one, you have a big bag. Eighth one, the table dash four legs. टेबल काय, सिंगल आहे, मग काय येईल, द टेबल हॅज ए सिंगल लेग. HAS, हॅज. नाइन्थ वन, आय असल्यानंतर काय वापरतो आपण, हॅव वापरतो, राईट. सो व्हॉट विल कम आन्सर हियर, आय हॅव 5 t-shirts. HAVE, have. Next one, I again, I have a blue tie with my school uniform. And the deer means what, singularities, has. The deer has a small tail. 10th answer is have and 11th answer is has. Okay, in this way we have completed has, have and had. Keep in mind, have is used after plural words, right? Also Have is used after pronouns like I, you. Okay, has is used after singular words, and also it is used after he and she pronouns, and had is used for the things which are already happened. Okay, past tense. In this way we have completed our lesson number 15. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are going to revise our question paper pattern. Okay, we are going to study according to question paper pattern. Okay, we will just revise it in short. Thank you.